Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Jeep Renegade. We're going to start right away up front. You do have factory fog lamps. You also have the red easy access heavy duty tow hooks. I'll look down the passenger side. You have blacked out alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. You have Trailhawk there stitched into the seats. Seats are in great shape all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera and an easy access heavy duty tow hook here on the back as well. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, full stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.